Jai Shri Radhe, English Shorthand Magazine, Volume 4, Exercise 7, page number 16, Dictation, Start. The individual justiciable authority, while diminishing that of the state, the existing law does the opposite, removing the state from the process of execution is both undesirable and infeasible for the following reasons. Firstly, the sheer inequality in terms of bargaining power between large-scale corporations and small farmers and other marginalized groups increases the likelihood of unfair agreements. Contracts tend to be signed in favor of the party negotiating from a greater position of strength. That is why government is required to bridge the gap and bring balance to this relationship. Government is the big stick to defend the rights of the disenfranchised. Secondly, a legitimate need for execution by the state himself to build public goods such as roads, schools, and hospitals can be undermined and stalled by groups with vested interests. Full stop. If there is no sovereign power to compel these groups, a single individual or group of individuals can hold a process hostage if they so desire, merely by refusing to part with land for selfish reasons or sometimes even without reason. Furthermore, in times of crisis such as war, famine and floods, coupled with absence of legislation clarifying and guiding the state's exercise of eminent domain, situation can emerge jeopardizing human lives. Thirdly, land can be acquired indiscriminately through transactions between private parties without giving any thought to its impact on surrounding areas and ecosystems. Thank you.